Welcome back to Explore Error. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Windows 11 hotspot not working. So if you're trying to share hotspot from your computer to another device, I'm going to show you how to turn it on and fix the problem if it's not working. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and open your Start menu. Then type in Settings and click on it. Now on the left side, click on Network and Internet and make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on. This will not work with an Ethernet connection. You need to make sure it is using Wi-Fi. Then scroll down to Mobile Hotspot and make sure Mobile Hotspot is turned on. After that, go and open your Start menu again. Type in View Network Connections and click on it. Now you should see your Microsoft Wi-Fi Direct Virtual Adapter. Go ahead and right-click on it and click Disable. Then right-click on it again and click Enable. After that, check if the problem is fixed. You can also go back to Mobile Hotspot and try turning it off and on again. Now, if you have tried all these steps and it's still not working, there is one last method. So open your Start menu and search for Registry Editor, then click on it. Click on the drop-down arrow next to H-key Local Machine. Then click on the System folder and open Current Control Set. After that, click on Services and scroll down until you find the folder called WLAN SVC. Click on it, then open Parameters, and then click on the folder called Hosted Network Settings. Now you will see a file called Hosted Network Settings. Just right-click on it and click Delete, then press Yes. After deleting the file, you need to restart your computer. Once your computer restarts, you can try turning your hotspot back on.